very well. Okay, take more. Keep scrubbing. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of dark knuckles. Some people call it black, some people call it so many names. You know how you call it in your language, in China, in Nigeria, in anything, all the languages, Nigerian language, Chinese language, Indian language, all the languages, you know how you call these. But in English, I think we call these dark knuckles. How to get rid of this in 2 days. This is what I'm going to show you. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to use for the treatment. So you will also use the same thing to get rid of this. Maybe you've been scrubbing this in your bathroom for so many years. It's not going out due to maybe the cream that you happen to use, and it has given you this. And you at times maybe you want to return back to your previous color, being your dark skin, and you cannot return to your dark skin and to be fair completely. You find it very, very difficult. This video, at the end of this video, you are going to be happy that you watched this video. So just see what I'm going to use for the treatment, and in 2 days, this is how your knuckles will look like, both the one in your foot and the ones in your hand. So, and if you have not yet clicked on the subscribe button on this channel, look below this video and click on the subscribe button. And if you have clicked on the subscribe button of this channel, thank you very much for doing that. And please, if you have clicked on the subscribe button and you have not yet clicked on the notification button, I will also like you to please click on the notification button in order for you to be notified whenever I bring you new video. If you don't click on the notification button, you will find it difficult to get my videos whenever I post them. So let's go straight to see what I'm going to use for the treatment. So to prepare this treatment, I'm going to use Colgate toothpaste. And Colgate toothpaste is very, very good. It helps in exfoliating skin, thereby revealing your real skin. Though you have been exfoliating, but this is going to help exfoliate your knuckles. The next thing I'm going to use is bicarbonate of soda. Bicarbonate of soda also helps in exfoliation, also lighting up dark parts of the skin. So this is bicarbonate of soda. Also, I'm going to also use my lemon. Lemon is also very, very good in exfoliation. It helps in exfoliating skin. You know, for a stubborn place like this in your skin, you need an extraordinary work in order to get stubborn dark parts from your skin to make it light and fresh and good looking as you have always wished it to be. So let's go straight to the treatment. I'm going to put this together in order to clear these dark knuckles from my fingers. So to put this together, I will need a bowl. As you can see, I also need a spoon. I also need toothbrush for the preparation and uses of this treatment. So I'm going to press out a little paste of Colgate into the bowl. Okay. After you may have done that, you scoop a little quantity of your bicarbonate of soda, otherwise known as baking soda, into it. Okay, and you cover it. So I'm going to take it from the table here. Okay, so after you have done that, you mix it properly, thoroughly. If you use a smaller bowl, it is more advisable. Okay, you mix it up this way. Don't forget, we are trying to get rid of dark knuckles. Please, if you have not yet, click on the subscribe button, and I would like you to please look below this video. You will see a red written subscribe, written there subscribe below this video. Click on that red subscribe button until it changes and D is added to it. Once you have clicked on the subscribe button successfully, the notification button will pop up like a bell. You click on that bell also. It will help you get notifications whenever I bring you new video. And if you don't click on that, you'll be getting my video when others have already watched it. And if you have subscribed to this channel, thank you very much for clicking on the subscribe button, because without you there will be no me. So this channel is for all of us, and it's known as a DIY channel. So after you've done that, you squeeze in a little quantity juice of your lemon into it in order to dissolve it. Can you see the burning? It's burning as if you are pouring acid into iron. It's foaming, and it's burning, foaming. Okay, it shows that the treatment is a very nice one. Squeeze it a little again until you get a little bit get into a paste form. So this is it. Let's see the application, where to apply this and how to apply this to your dark knuckles. So the application, as I said, I will need a toothbrush. A hard one or a soft one can do the job. So you put your toothbrush into the paste. As you can see, your old toothbrush, or you can buy a new one for this purpose. Then all you need to do is for you to scrub it here, your dark knuckles. You scrub it very, very well. Then you take more. You keep scrubbing. You keep scrubbing. This will help get the stubborn parts of your knuckles that refuse to change the way other parts of your skin have changed. So you do it, this place also have that challenges. And when you are brushing, also you ensure you bend it. Can you see? You bend your knuckle like this, so it can also penetrate those lines in your knuckles. You bend it to brush. This is very, very recommendable, and if you use this, as I said earlier, you can recommend this. You can share this video with your friends, either your girlfriend, your girlfriend is having this dark knuckle, or that your boyfriend, your guy, your husband, your wife is having this dark knuckle, and you don't like seeing this in his fingers or in his toes, in her toes or in her fingers. Share this video with such a person, and the story is going to change in 2 days. So I'm going to wash this off so you see how it is like. So I'm going to wash this off. Can you see? Once you do this, this is how your knuckle is going to look like. I can feel the smoothness of my nail, my fingers, very, very smooth. The knuckles here, very, very smooth. Everything is gone. Check the lines, check in here. You can feel a very, very smooth skin here. So this is how to go about removing dark knuckles in your fingers and in your toes. Thank you very much. See you in my next video. Yeah, thank you very much for watching the video, and please, I would like you to please share this video with your friends, those ones you know that are having challenges with their knuckles the same way maybe you had, or maybe you don't have, but you have friends that have dark knuckles. Share this video with them. Also tell them they should watch this video to the end, because this is real. It is very, very real. It is highly recommended for people that have dark knuckles. Thank you very much. Don't forget, you will just have to click on the subscribe button and to also click on the notification button for you to be notified when I bring you new video. As I said, sex life is a skin. Are you a man? Are you having challenges growing your beard? You're having problem with bumps and every other thing. You're having problem, maybe your V area, your P area, you're having challenges. I'm going to be bringing you video on how to remedy yourself in all these things. It's called DIY. Thank you very much for checking on this channel. Stay tuned till I bring you another video. Thank you for subscribing.